Good day to every one of you. This lovely, attractive, and enjoyable to knit elastic rib stitch is the subject of today's video. The report is 4 loops and 2 rows. Let's start on the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 1, knit 3 loops in the following order, the first, the third, and the second. Again, purl 1, knit 3 loops, the first, the third, and the second. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. Row 2 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 1 loop and purl 3 loops in the following order, the first, the third, and the second. Again, knit 1, purl 3 loops, the first, the third, and the second. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. I hope you'll be motivated to start winter knitting by these attractively interwoven vertical paths. Keep checking the Winter Hats playlist for the upcoming videos on winter knitting. Knit because it's a stress-relieving, self-assurance, and health-promoting hobby. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit KnitKnotSpace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.